as I turned my back and walked the lonely road. I felt your hand slip through my fingers once again, and what was left was just a momentary warmth. Every time I felt your touch, it would seep into my heart. If I could hold you for a little longer, and the lingering scent as you whispered in my ear would stay forever in the vivid sky. I hear the sound of your voice, I hear it echo inside my dreams, turning into memories as they start to fall away. And the tears that I cried washed away by the rain. I promise this will all be waiting for you. Without a sound, the days are slowly passing by, and the night is like a story without an end. The only light that shines upon the quiet world are the stars, and they will lead me back to you as I find another piece of the memory inside. As the story goes a little longer, and the look on your face as you wave your hand goodbye